a month and a half from now, that is the deadline to legalize recreational marijuana in New York State.
And many assume this is the year it'll happen because of the revenue needs out there. But there's no guarantee. Just listen to Assemblyman Harry Bronson talk about the grand compromise that still needs to happen.
But that compromise cannot prevent us from making sure that this is an inclusive and equitable industry for everyone to participate in.
Tonight, in the last part of our three-part series on legalization, we reveal some of the key differences between the two plans now on the table.
I don't know if you need to do that.
Meg Sanders says it wasn't just business that led her into the role of CEO of this marijuana dispensary in Lee, Massachusetts.
We have to stop criminalizing people because of this plant. That just has to stop. And I think that's what we support, that's what we stand for. And that is hands down one of the biggest drivers for me. That social justice component is woven into both legalization plans being considered in Albany. One is Governor Cuomo's, the other is the legislature's. Assemblyman Harry Bronson says the legislature's differs in several ways. One, criminalization. Right now, having a small amount of marijuana is just a violation, not a misdemeanor. The legislature's plan keeps it that way, while the governor's says once regulated marijuana is legal, possession of unregulated marijuana would go back to being a misdemeanor. Another difference, where tax revenue goes. Bronson says the legislature's plan sends 50% into a community reinvestment grant program.
We want to make sure that a portion of the money, it's set out specifically, a certain percentage, will go to underserved communities. A portion of the money will go to establishing those micro businesses so that folks can participate, whether it's in the growing component or the retail component of this industry. And then lastly, for entrepreneur programs and things of that nature and social programs.
Cuomo's office says their plan does promise some money for those programs and will offer some 0% loans to disadvantaged applicants. Oneida County Sheriff Rob Mashel opposes legalization in general, but takes particular umbrage at the loan offer.
Are you kidding me? I mean, we've got dairy farmers, New York's biggest industry, or at least in Oneida County where I'm from, it's Oneida County's biggest industry, agriculture. Dairy farmers are going under because they can't survive, and they don't get 0% loans to keep their business floating. But if you want to sell marijuana, we'll give you 0% interest loans.
What's notable is these concerns are not new, and some have stopped legalization efforts in the past. And it remains possible, as many New Yorkers wait for the green light, they'll do so again. Now, this evening, Governor Cuomo's office got back to me saying it does not intend to criminalize possession and suggested changes could be made in negotiations with the legislature in that area. For this series, we made a poll asking you if you think marijuana should be legalized in New York State. There is still time to vote, and you can find that poll right now over at rochesterfirst.com, along with the other articles associated with this series.